Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just designed. This right here is an origami pickle or cucumber. And yeah, and it's pretty cool. And I'm gonna show you how to fold it. Alright, ready, set, here goes. Okay, so let's begin white side up. And we're gonna divide this into thirds. So fold it so that this is equal to that. And just estimate it. And then once you got it, fold this part behind and just fiddle with the folds until they align. So fiddle, 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 and then once you're happy with your thirds, pinch them like that, and repeat on this side. So just fiddle with the folds. Alright, and then now fold to your pinch marks. And fold in half. Okay, unfold just this layer. And now we're going to divide this into 4. So let's fold in half like this. Alright, and then now fold into your crease. Alright, and then now turn over, and now we're going to make some pleats, and we're going to take this crease and we're going to fold it up how much? This is an eyeball fold, so it doesn't really matter how much. Well, just try and estimate what I'm doing. So I'm going to fold this up, and I'm going to make the pleat about 1 centimeter long. So just about like that is good. So just try and match what I'm doing. It doesn't need to be perfect. Alright. Fold it, crease it nice and sharp like this, or turn over and make it sharp. Alright. And then now do that on this one and this one. So I'm going to do the bottom one. So fold it up about 1 centimeter like this. Alright, then turn over and make that fold sharp. And then same on this top one. Okay, and then now fold in half like this. Okay, so now comes the hardest part. It's not too hard, but this is the hardest part of the model. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna form the curvature of the pickle. So just take this and we're going to kind of pivot this up like this. And what we're doing is we're going to fold it so that we make a fold. Get my pointer. So we're making a fold that connects from this point to that point like this. All right, and then make sure you're doing it on this side too. See, make a fold from here to there. Just like this. Alright, and then you can make that sharp. Alright, and then do that on here and here. Okay, like that. And now it's rounded, so turn over. Well, it doesn't matter which side. So I'm gonna just fold up like this. Just shape it to taste. So I'm just folding the corners about like that. And same here. Okay. And then now if you want, you can round it more by folding these points in too. Alright, same on this side. And once you did that, here it is. Here is our completed cucumber or pickle. And yeah, it's not really an action model, but I think it's pretty cool looking though. It's pretty easy. And yeah. See if it spins. No, it's not meant to spin. But yeah, there it is. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that, and make sure you subscribe, and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.